Hello, I'm Victoria from Renaissance Capital, and I'm going to show you the commentary section of IPO Pro. Under our commentary, we publish news stories about every IPO update. It's important to hear about IPO news as soon as it happens so you don't miss any IPOs and can have as much time as possible to analyze deals. So we post these stories as IPO news is breaking. We also publish blog articles to give you a spin on IPO market trends, specific company observations, and industry movements. Now, the commentary is accessible from here on the dashboard, and the main commentary tab is up here. There are a ton of stories here, sorted with the most recent at the top. If you're looking for something specific, you can always go up to the IPO search up here and search the company name, or if you're looking at a certain type of story, we've added filters over here. Many of our users track IPO filings, so it made sense to create a view where you can see just filing stories. We also have favorites-related news, pricings, withdrawals and postponements, and our blog articles. You can access company-related stories too from a profile. Just click through on the ticker, and the most recent news will always be on the right over here. That's the end of our video on commentary. Thank you for watching.